Hello and welcome to day 6 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we're tapping on some drama, not to manifest it, but to get rid of it. We all know that the holidays is when you'll meet your uncle from your dad's grandfather's brother's side who seems to think that he has control over your life and what you should do and shouldn't do. And don't forget your mom's grandmother's best friend's neighbor who thinks that you should have 4 kids by now. So we're all familiar with this holiday drama, but in today's tapping, we are going to make peace and heal these negative family dynamics. Okay, so whenever you're ready, we're just going to start tapping on the side of the hand. My family is so triggering. Being around them brings up old triggers, old wounds, and that sucks. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Even though being around my family can be stressful, I choose to see it in a different way. All right, let's move on to the eyebrow point. Holiday gatherings can feel so overwhelming. So many people, so many personalities and opinions. I get triggered by certain family members and dynamics. I feel anxious and frustrated just thinking about it. I feel like I cannot fully be myself around my family. I acknowledge all these emotions and how I feel. But I'm ready to release all these heavy emotions. I release the need to change anyone but myself. I release resentment and old grudges. I'm starting fresh this holiday season. I'm choosing to create a new dynamic with my family. I'm choosing to approach them with love, understanding, and compassion. We are not the same, and that is okay. It would actually be really boring if we were all the same. I see that everyone is just doing the best that they can. And I can be okay with that. I have the power to shift my own energy. I'm allowing myself to set healthy boundaries with my family. Even if I react to old triggers, it's totally okay. I can remind myself to respond with love at any moment. I choose to see the humanity in each of my family members. No matter how crazy or wild they can get, I am still grateful for them. I'm open to creating a deeper connection with them. Healing is possible for all of us. I feel so at peace with my family now. This holiday season is all about love, magic, and connection.